The Chicago Cubs went out there and they did it. They just signed Alex Bregman to a 5-year, $175 million contract. A big money deal for a big money player. Now, the Cubs last year, they fell short in the playoffs to the Brewers. They just didn't have the firepower to get past them. So now, adding Bregman could give them that star power they need alongside Seiya Suzuki and Pete Crow Armstrong. Let me know in the comments if you think the Cubs are going to be legitimate World Series contenders now. And also, all your attention has to turn to the Red Sox. And that the Red Sox just lost out on Alex Bregman, the guy that they traded away, Rafael Devers, their franchise player for. And that Bregman just turned out now to be a 1-year rental. So do they go out and pursue Bo Bichette, which is going to guarantee them spending a lot more money? Or are they going to go and, with their internal options, David Hamilton, Marcelo Meyer, and try and make magic happen? Keep track of the Red Sox offseason right here on Dingers and Dashers.